Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today we will continue the discussion of your specimen papers answer. Okay. So today we'll start from the numerical. First numerical is given that A. Calculate the volume of gas X at STP. If it occupies 380 liter at 300 Kelvin and 70 centimeter of mercury. Okay. So here you have to check what is given. Calculate the volume of gas X at STP. So you have to find out the volume at standard temperature and pressure. If it is occupies 380 liter, so here volume is given. So V1 is given 380 liter. Then temperature is given T1. T1 is given 300 Kelvin. Then pressure given P1, it is 70 centimeter of mercury. Another case, okay, that means V2 you have to find out, that is at standard temperature at STP. What will be the value of V2 you have to find out in liter, okay, and temperature is given, that is T2. T2 is given here standard temperature, that means 273 Kelvin, okay, and pressure all of you know, that will be 76 centimeter of Hg. So now here you have to put this formula, P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Now you put this value, P1 value is given 70 and V1 value is given 380 divided by T1 is given 300. That will be equal to P2 is given 776, okay, into V2 is given, V2 you have to find out, divided by T2. T2 is 273 Kelvin. Okay, so you will get the V2 value in liter. So V2 will be equal to 70 into 380 into 273 divided by 76 into 300 liter. So finally, if you calculate, you will get the value. It is coming 318.5 liter. 318.5 liter you will get. Okay, hope you can understand. So this type of easy numerical you have to practice. Okay, for example. Next, another numerical is given that I will also solve. Next, question number B. A gas occupies 70 liter at 2070 centigrade. What volume will it occupy at 273 degree centigrade, pressure remaining constant. Okay. So here you have to find out what is given. So volume given, V1 is given, that is equal to 70 liter, and temperature you always you have to convert in Kelvin. So T1 is given, that is 273 plus 27, that means 300 Kelvin. Next one is given that V2. V2 you have to find out what volume will you talk about. V2 you have to find out. Then T2 is supplied 273 centigrade. That will be 273 plus 273 Kelvin. So if you calculate, you will get 46 Kelvin. Okay. So now here you will apply the formula, that is V1 by T1. I mean from Charles' law. V2 by T2 when pressure remaining constant. So now you put this value, that 70 liter divided by 300 Kelvin is equal to V2 is equal to, you have to find out, and T2 is 546 Kelvin. So V2 will be equal to 70 into 546 divided by 300 liter. Okay. Now if you calculate, you will get the value. Okay. It is coming as 127.4 liter. 127.4 liter. Okay. Next question. Next question is given, calculate the relative molecular mass. Calculate the relative molecular mass of each of the following. First one is given, ammonium dichromate. So let us calculate the mass. So first here we look at this formula, that nitrogen, 2 nitrogen is given. So 2 nitrogen will be 2 into 14, that is coming as 28 atomic mass unit. Then 4 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen is there. So 8 hydrogen each is 1. So 1 into 8, that will be 8 AMU. Next one is given 2 chromium. So 2 chromium, each chromium here it is given 52. So it will be 2 into 52, that is coming as 104. 104 AMU. Next question is given that next is given that 7 oxygen is there. So 7 oxygen, that will be 7 into 16. That is coming as 11, 112 AMU. So if you add this, you will get 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 2, 5, 252 AMU. So this is the mass of the ammonium, molecular mass of the ammonium dichromate. Okay. So in this way you have to calculate. Okay. All atomic masses will be supplied. Okay, according to the board's rule. Okay. So you just calculate the total mass. Okay, by adding the mass of the individual atoms. Next question is given that hydrated copper sulfate, that means CuSO4.5H2. So here first one is copper. Copper only one atom is there. Copper mass will be what? Copper mass will be 64. Sulfur will be 1, so that will be 32. So oxygen will be 4. 4 oxygen, that is coming 64. 5 water, that is coming 90. So total is coming 250. 250 MU is coming. So that will be the mass of the hydrated copper sulfate. Next question is given, what do you understand by the term isotopes? Okay, so here you have to tell that isotopes are those elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. Like hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. One is called protium, another is called deuterium, another is called tritium. Okay, and here proton number or atomic number is same but mass number is different due to the different number of neutrons. Next question is given, why do isotopes of an element possesses identical chemical properties? So here you have to tell isotopes have same atomic number, that is why they have same number of valence electron, and chemical properties depends on the number of valence electrons, so their chemical properties will be same. Next question is given, name the isotope of hydrogen which does not have a neutron in it. So definitely it will be the protium. In case of protium, only one proton is there, there is no neutron, okay, inside the hydrogen atom of protium. So it is the so protium will be the answer. Next question is given, state the type of covalent bonding in the following molecules. Question is given, B, state the type of covalent bonding in the following molecules. Okay, first one is given chlorine. So chlorine molecule, you know that it is Cl2, and between two chlorine the structure is like this. Only one single covalent bond is there, as both are same, so definitely there will be no formation of polarity. Okay, there will be no separation of charge. This bonding pair electron will be equally distributed. Okay, so you can write this is single covalent bond, single covalent bond and non-polar. The type of bond is non-polar. Second is given that nitrogen. Nitrogen is also diatomic molecule, so its formula will be N2, and between two nitrogen atom one triple bond is present and two lone pair of electron is present where. Okay, so here type of bond you can write triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. This is also non-polar. Hope you can understand. Next, another molecule is given, that is the oxygen. Oxygen formula will be like this. This is also diatomic molecule. Okay. So between two oxygen atom, one double bond is present. So you will write double covalent bond. Here both are oxygen atoms, so definitely the bonding pair electron will be equally shared, and this is also non-polar covalent bond. Okay. Next question is given, how would you distinguish between the following pairs of substance? Okay, on the basis of the chemical test given in brackets. Sodium chloride and potassium chloride flame test. Sodium chloride will give golden yellow flame and potassium chloride will give lilac flame. Okay, so in this way you have to write the answer. Next one is given zinc carbon and lead carbon by dry heating. So next question is given that zinc carbonate, when you will apply heat, ZnCO3, that will produce zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so zinc oxide is yellow when hot and white when cold. Okay, next one is given that lead carbonate is PbCO3. Whenever you will apply heat, that will be PbO plus CO2, and this PbO is yellow when it is cold and yellow is brown. Okay, when hot. Hope you can understand. Next question is given, state if the solubility increases, decreases or remains same with the rise for each of the following compounds. Okay. Here you can draw the graph also for better expression, or only you can write the increase or decrease. This is solubility graph already given in your book. X-axis temperature is given and y-axis solubility is given. Okay, so first one is calcium sulfate. So calcium sulfate curve is like this. So that means first little bit of increase, and with increase of temperature, okay, this CSO4 dot twice H2O. Okay, so it is decreasing with increasing temperature. And next one is potassium nitrate. In case of potassium nitrate, definitely there will be sharp increase. Okay, is potassium nitrate. So with the increase of the temperature, solubility of potassium nitrate increases. Next one is given sodium chloride. Sodium chloride almost remains same like this. Okay, this sodium chloride. Okay, so here you have to tell with the increase of the temperature, almost remain same. Okay, the solubility remains same in case of sodium chloride. Next question is given, what is the difference between the temporary hard water and permanent hard water? Next question, what is the difference between temporary hard water and permanent hard water? Okay, so definitely here you will write that in case of temporary hard water, there will be the soluble salt of calcium bicarbonate, CaHCl twice, and magnesium bicarbonate is present. So okay, so MgHCl twice. This is for temporary hard water. Temporary hard water. And for permanent hard water, definitely there will be the calcium chloride salt, water soluble, and magnesium chloride salt is present in permanent hard water. Permanent hard water. Okay, and here also you can write temporary hard water. Hardness of temporary hard water you can remove just by boiling. Okay, and here to remove the hardness of permanent hard water, you have to add washing soda or sodium carbonate solution. Then there will be precipitation of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Hope you can understand. Next question is given, write a balanced chemical equation for the removal of permanent hardness. Okay, so permanent hardness, if you are taking calcium chloride, if you add sodium carbonate, then there will be formation of calcium carbonate, will be precipitate, calcium precipitate calcium carbonate, and formation of NaCl. Okay, this is for permanent hardness, and temporary hardness you can take calcium bicarbonate, and if you apply heat, that will produce calcium carbonate, plus there will be formation of carbon dioxide, plus there will be formation of H2. Achha, next question is given that classify each of the following reaction, okay, as combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. These things are given. First, I am writing that twice Al plus Fe2O3 forming Al2O3 plus twice Fe. So in this case, aluminium is displacing the iron, okay, and so definitely it is a displacement reaction, okay. What is written, single displacement or only displacement is given? So you write a displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Next question is given twice KClO3. Whenever you are applying it, forming twice KCl plus thrice O2. Okay. So in this case, you are decomposing the potassium chloride to potassium chloride and oxygen. So definitely it is a decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition reaction. You can write here only decomposition is given, so you will write decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Next one is given barium chloride plus sodium sulfate. So BaCl2 plus Na2SO4, that is forming BaSO4 plus twice NaCl. Okay. So barium sulfate insoluble precipitate. Okay. So definitely this is a double displacement or double decomposition. What is written here? Double displacement is here. So you write this is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Next question is given calcium oxide is reacting with water forming calcium hydroxide. Okay. So in this case, calcium oxide is combining with water forming calcium hydroxide. So it is a combination reaction. So here it is given, we have to write combination reaction. Hope you can understand. Next one, table is given. Already these questions I have discussed in live classes also, and this video is mainly for those students who are not joining the live classes. Okay. So here it is given, complete the following table. Complete the following table. Okay. First one is given elements. Next one is given mass number. Next one is given atomic number. Next one is given number of electrons. Next one is given number of protons. Okay. Next Next one is given number of neutrons. This is the number of neutrons. Okay. So first one is given phosphorus. Here it is given 31, 15. Others you have to fill up. Next one is given potassium. Here it is written 19. Here 20. So definitely a number of electron will be the atomic number equal to atomic number. Here it will be 15. Number of proton also will be the same, that will be 15. And number of neutron will be equal to 16. Okay. Next one is potassium. Definitely it will be 39. Atomic number will be what? Atomic number will be 19. And number of proton will be what? Number of proton will be same, that is 19. Number of neutron 20. Okay. Next question is given, write the electronic configuration of the following. Okay. First one is given calcium. Calcium electronic configuration will be K L M S 2882. Next one is given sulfur. Sulfur, that is 16. So KLM 286. This is the electronic configuration of sulfur. Next question is given, state the valency of the element having 6 electrons in the valence set. Here you have to tell that 8 minus 6, that will be 2. But in the third row elements where vacant is available, then it can solve valency 6. Next given that electronic configuration 2 and 3. So definitely K cell containing 2 electrons and L cell containing 3 electrons. So the valency will be 3 here. So in this way, today I have completed, okay, the solution of the specimen paper. Hope all of you can understand. Till if you have any confusion or any doubt, okay, that you can clear in your live class. Or now we are going to start offline classes. There also you can clear. So today, up to this, thank you for watching.